Guys, 78 old here. I just found a commercial for the Super Mario Bros. Plum Lane. I'll react to it. I'll be quiet and I'll replay it, and I'll look for some Easter eggs. All right, here we go.
We're the Mario Brothers, and plumbing's a game. We're not like the others who get all the fame. When your sink is in trouble, you can call us on the double. We're faster than the others, you'll be hooked on the brothers.
Thank you, Super Mario Bros. It seems like the only thing you haven't drained is my bank account.
Yeah.
For super service, call or text
Guys,
Super
let me know
Mario.
if I should call this member. Out, out. Information will be in the description down below. Okay, so
Than the others, the Mario Brothers, and plumbing's a game. We're not
Aaron,
like the others who get all the fame. When your sink is in trouble,
actually unnatural.
you can call us on the double. We're faster than the others,
I won't
you'll be
go so
hooked on the
hard.
brothers.
Thank you, Super Mario Bros. It seems like the only thing you haven't drained is my bank account.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, that's it. I'll leave a link down below. I hope you guys like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.